Star Technology Company Limited, established in 2013. We are a supplier specializing in the design, development of smartwatches and wireless earphones. Our company has 30 overseas market sales personnel, which can provide professional one-to-one sales services. Our corporate factory has 7 experienced engineers, and the workshop contains 1,500 square meters and around 70 workers, and many domestic and overseas patent awards. We have various advanced production equipment, multiple production lines, such as glue dispensers, waterproof testing machine, industrial computers, thermostat calibration boxes, grinders, plastic sealing machines, and test stands. Our production capacity can meet large number of OEM and ODM orders. Daily production capacity is up to 10,000 pieces. Our production process is very strict and professional. Starting from the purchase, the raw materials must undergo rigorous testing. After tested, then will be loaded into the production line. We will keep upgrade motherboard and weld. Our QC will check the welding effect, and the motherboard will be assembled. QC will also test the semi-finished products, assemble the watch band and fix the screws, test whole machine again. Then the finished product enters the packaging production line. After packaged, the finished products are spot checked again. We will carry out 100% inspection before shipment to ensure that all products are qualified. Flexible customization, fast delivery, and complete quality management and after-sales management. Choose Vivistar. Let us create wealth together and deliver the beauty that smart products bring to everyone.